Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I will solve a numerical problem that a student sent me yesterday and requested to solve. So here is the problem. 20 ml of zero point 0.1 and Na2CO3 was added to 100 ml of a sample of hard water and filtered. The filtrate required 30 ml of 0.05 N H2SO4 for complete neutralization. Calculate the hardness of water. Now, in this numerical problem, a simple procedure has been adopted. Hard water sample is treated with sodium carbonate, and we know that sodium carbonate or soda is actually required for removal of permanent calcium hardness. This reaction has been employed in the lime soda process, and in my one of the video lectures I have explained the lime soda process for hard water treatment. So soda is actually required to remove permanent calcium hardness. When it reacts with calcium sulfate or calcium chloride, calcium carbonate is precipitated, and in this manner calcium is removed from the hard water. In this numerical problem, my assumption is that magnesium salts are maybe not included. Permanent magnesium hardness is not included because for the removal of permanent magnesium hardness, we require calcium hydroxide, that is lime. So after the treatment of soda with the hard water, the calcium carbonate is precipitated and it is filtered. Now the filtrate, it is treated with H2SO4, known normality and known volume of H2SO4, and it has been written in the numerical problem that it completely neutralizes the hard water. So I am assuming that temporary calcium and magnesium hardness, that is due to carbonate and bicarbonate, is neutralized there. And because these carbonates and bicarbonates are basically alkaline in nature. So here is the solution. In the first part, here we are dealing with the sodium carbonate treatment. This is simple normality equation that we apply whenever we are doing titrations. So N1V1, N2V2 normality equation. N1V1 we are taking Na2CO3 and N2V2 we are taking hard water. So for sodium carbonate, N1 or the normality is given to us, that is 0.1 N, and the volume required was 20 ml. For hard water sample, we don't know the normality, that is normality due to presence of permanent calcium hardness, and the volume of hard water taken was 100 ml. So from this equation we will get the value of N2, that is 0.02 N, and this N2 implicates the concentration of calcium salts causing permanent calcium hardness. Now we know that this normality is basically what? It is number of gram equivalents dissolved in per liter of solution. Here number of gram equivalents dissolved in per liter of water. So W is the weight of the hardness causing substance, E is the equivalent weight. Now remember, whenever we are expressing hardness, we always express it in terms of calcium carbonate. So the equivalent weight I am taking here will be 50. That is the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. So this is the volume of the water, and the 1000 here actually represents that we are converting the volume in ml into liter. So this is the number of gram equivalents dissolved in per liter of the solution. So how can we calculate the W quantity here? From the for the first calculation, that is for the sodium carbonate, I am taking this as W1, ENV by 1000. So E is the equivalent weight, that is 50, into normality that we just calculated 0.02. 100 is the 100 ml is the volume of the water sample that we took upon 1000. So this W came to be 0.1 gram per liter. Now let us check the second step of the numerical problem, in which the filtrate of Na2CO3 treatment is treated with H2SO4 for the complete neutralization. So again I am using a normality equation, N1V1 is equal to N2V2. For N1V1 we are taking here H2SO4, N2V2 hard water. Now the normality of H2SO4 was 0.05 N into 30 ml. 30 ml was used for the neutralization, complete neutralization. N2 is the normality in hard water due to presence of temporary hardness causing salts. Those are alkaline in nature, multiplied by 100, that is the volume of hard water taken initially. Now the N2 after calculation will be 0.015 N, and by using this formula ENV by 1000, I will calculate the weight of the hardness causing substances in the second step. So it will be 0.075 gram per liter. Now we have asked to calculate the total hardness of water. So what will be the total hardness? The weight that we have calculated in the first step plus the weight that we calculated in the second step. So we are assuming that in the first step when soda was added, we removed the temporary calcium hardness, and in the second step we removed the in the first step we removed permanent calcium hardness, and in the second step we removed all the temporary hardness. So when you add these two quantities, it will be 0.175 gram per liter. Now if I have to convert this gram into milligram, I will multiply this quantity with 1000. So this will be 175 milligram per liter, and this milligram per liter is actually equal to ppm. So the total hardness of water will be 175 ppm. So this is the solution of the problem, the numerical problem that a student sent to me. If you have any difficulty in chemistry, if you want to solve me any problem for you, then you can just post it on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.